If you are tired of carrying multiple bags and they're breaking at the grocery store, or carrying multiple backpacks and they're all going all over the place, the Click and Carry could be perfect for you. The brand sent me this to try it out. Absolutely love this. Use this at the grocery store all the time to carry bags. So what you do here, you just click it out, and then you're going to put your bags in here, and then you could either put it on your shoulder or you could use it as a handle. I'm going to show you what we do. We travel all the time and we have tons of backpacks. So what I like to do is I like to put a backpack here. You could put another one here if you wanted to as well. And then you could put the other backpack here, and all you have to do is lock it in like that, and then you're good to go. So I'll just carry these out to the car like this, or I could even just throw it over my shoulder just like that. So you'll see it just sits really nice. It's comfortable. If you are looking for a great way to carry bags easily, could not recommend this enough.